You can assign a secretary extension to an extension, a powerful feature we call Boss Chat Secretary. This feature is ideal for environments where a manager needs a personal assistant to aid in filtering incoming calls. By declaring a secretary extension, you can route all incoming calls intended for the boss extension directly to the secretary extension first. Step 1. Prerequisites. To use this feature, you must have at least 2 extensions already created in your system. One for the boss and one for the secretary. Step 2. Assigning the secretary extension. Next, access the configuration for the boss extension. Navigate to the Advanced tab, and under the Secretary Extension field, select the specific extension that will fulfill this function. Then, remember to update or save your changes, and immediately apply changes to make the configuration active. Step 3. Activating Secretary Mode via Feature Code. From the boss extension itself, you need to use the feature code *36. You will hear the system confirm. You've activated the Secretary Mode for the extension 2001. This toggle code allows the boss user to easily turn the feature on and off as needed. Step 4. The call filtering process. When the feature is on, you will notice that the boss extension cannot receive calls directly from any extension but the secretary extension. Instead, all incoming calls will first be routed to the secretary extension. The secretary extension can then filter those calls, decide which are important, and securely transfer them to the boss extension. Step 5. Creating a whitelist. Furthermore, the boss user can create a whitelist of specific numbers. These numbers can surpass the secretary extension entirely and reach them directly. We will see more of this when we reach the user portal lesson.